Today we're going to look at unboxing a Samsung box camera, which is going to be the model SCB5003P. This camera is a 120H high resolution WDR box camera, and if we have a look to see what we get inside. We get your camera, which is quite small, about the length of your fingers. It has a bottom and a top fixing for mounting it on a wall bracket or upside down from a ceiling. On the back it has your terminals for power, and it is 12V DC or 24V AC power. BNC analog image out. It has power indicator that lights up. This is a little joystick for your menu controls on your video display, and then we have a range of inputs and outputs here, which is to do with your RS485, your day-night sensor, and a couple of others. There is a label on the side that gives you your serial number and the model number of the camera, and the front part here that's covered is where we can put a 1/3 inch lens to complement it with a connector on the side for your different variations of lens. Now, one I tend to find with these cameras is if you fit a standard lens, you will struggle to get it to focus correctly daytime and nighttime. We tend to find that if you fit these lenses, the megapixel lenses, they complement the camera brilliantly. So I'm hoping that was of use to you. You get that in the packaging. You also get a very quick manual in the box as well, which basically gives you a quick snapshot of the programming and the ports. You can see there's a little bit of showing of the menu that you would actually view from the video of your camera as well. Within that we can select some basic day-night backlight and different settings that you can read there. But there's not too much instructions that you have to get with the camera. And there we go. There's one Samsung camera.